How to access saved password on Opera browser. Opera Mini browser. All you have to do is to make sure that you have the Opera Mini browser on your device and open it like this. Now go to the top left corner where you see the Opera browser icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, scroll down until you get to settings, or you tap Alt plus P on your keyboard, brings you to this place. Then click on settings. Once you click on settings, it comes out like this. Then scroll down to the base of this page until you get to advanced button. This button, click on it. Once you click on it, it brings to this interface. Now you have option that says password manager. Click on it. When you click on password manager, it comes out like this. Now here are some of what I have on this browser. So I want to check the password for each of these. So I'll go and tap on the DeepSeek button, then click on this arrow at front. When you click on it, then it requires you to provide your PIN that you use to access your device. So let me provide my PIN, and you see that it comes out like this. We have option to the username and the password. So click on this eye icon to access the password on that particular website. If you get this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.